guys, welcome to my channel. It feels good to have you back. It feels good to be back as well. How's everyone holding up? I hope everyone is doing really great. So today I'm going to be doing a little unboxing for Fashionnova and I'm excited. So I've gotten a couple of stuff from Fashionnova in the past and I really like the items I got. So I just decided I'm going to do a little unboxing. These items I got actually came in about 2 months ago. And I don't know why I've been so lazy to just open it to see if it's my perfect size. I always do this and I guess I'm just lazy that way. So I'm so hopeful this is going to be my perfect size because it's been way too long and there's no way they're going to accept any returns at this time. So I'm super excited. And this is all what I got from Fashionnova. Yeah. So I'm not doing this basically because I understand on Instagram everybody's pretty much like Fashionnova, 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 and seems like I'm just jumping on the bandwagon, but no, I've actually got stuff from them before and I think it's a really good brand. It's really affordable. Yeah, so let's see. I can't actually remember anything I got. I can't remember anything in this box, so it's going to be a surprise for me as it is as well for you, so stay tuned. Oh, unless I forget, actually what I have on it was actually gotten from Fashionnova as well. So this is a two-piece outfit. It's called the tennis set. It's called the tennis set actually. It's super comfortable, super stretchy. I love it. It's a perfect stay-at-home outfit. I'll just show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. I love two-piece sets a lot because you really makes you really look put together, look really chic, you know, and stylish as well. Yeah, so I just thought I'll just add that to the video so you know what's up. In fact, I'm gonna open the box in present so you can see. I think I got more shoes this time. Shoes and jeans. I think I got a few denims as well. I don't like this angle. Makes me look too big. Okay. Oh, I remember this one. This is leather pants I got. Yeah, I'm super excited. Neat. You see, it's something you can actually wear in spring, even though it's leather. It's not like heavy, it's light. It's all sticky now. It's been in the box for too long. The camera is giving it sort of a reddish kind of look. Where it's like, it's a brown actually. Isn't this a brown? Rust, yeah. It's like a rusty kind of brown-ish color. I'll just try this one out. So I'm gonna try this over my outfit today cause that's me. Please, 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 please. Yay! This is lovely. This is lovely. This is really beautiful. Super neat. What I love about this pant is the length is perfect, the waist is my perfect size. It's just so comfortable, it's lovely. They're wide legs and wide legs are in right now. I love the color, it goes with my skin. It's just a perfect outfit. I wish it had pockets because Like if you notice when I just put it on, I was looking for the pocket. That would have made it perfect. I'll just call it a 10 if it had pockets on it. The outside that is nice, it's really cheap. And it doesn't even feel like leather, like it's leather but you don't even feel like you're wearing leather, you know? Do you see? When I dance just now, I'm feeling the outfit. Sometimes. Okay, so I had to go back to the website to check. These are called the late notice heels. They're moves actually. Really pretty. This is a pastel pink. It'd be too high for me. I'm still gonna rock it. I'm still gonna rock it. I don't care. So let's see what it looks like. So these are what the slippers look like. I don't think you can really see the actual color of this. It's really beautiful, but you can't really tell on the camera. So the next one, I already opened it, and I got like super shocked because I don't remember placing this order. Like I don't remember placing this neon green order. I feel this may be someone else's order. It's so green. Like this is the second neon shoes I'm ever having, neon green shoes I'm ever having in my entire life. It's so bright. It would be nice for pictures, but it's not really my kind of color. I'll just try to see what it looks like. It looks really beautiful for a picture. I think I'm gonna put a picture like this on my Instagram. Next shoe item. Everything is a surprise now. I don't even know if I was the one actually placing this order. Oh, this is nice. Gold slippers. I don't know why I went for slippers. Is that all the box? Okay. This is lovely. This is nice. I can tell it's going to be really comfortable. I hope it's my perfect size. I can tell it's going to be real comfortable because it's not too high and it's really balanced. Has this I don't know what these heels are called anyway, but they are in, yeah, with a flat head front. And I'm gonna be trying it, so let me know what you think. Alright guys, this is what the gold slipper looks like, and it's called the Enlighten Me box toe. Oh sorry, it's called the Enlighten Me square toe heeled sandal. I really like Fashionnova. They're like they sort of like get me a lot of times. They get me, especially for their trousers, their skinny jeans, their denims. Perfect, like perfect. It's always a hit for me, for myself. I don't know, maybe other people have had their own experiences, but for their jeans trousers, it has always been a hit for me. So it's always, when they say stretchy, it's always super stretchy. The length is always on point. It just fits, you know. It just brings out all the curves where you want it. If it's high waist, if they say it's high waisted, it's actually proper high waisted. You know, there's some shops that I've had that experience before in the past. They say, oh, high waisted jeans, super high waisted, and you try it and you're wondering like, is this high waisted? I don't know if you've had that experience. I get that experience a lot of times. So for Fashionnova, when they say high waisted, it's proper high waisted. When they say stretchy, it's proper stretchy. And when they say long length, for a tall girl like me, yeah, it's proper long length. Oh, okay. I remember this bag. Whoosh, my best color, brown, especially for bags. So this is a pouch bag. Let me move back so you can see. This is a really nice pouch bag, and it has a long strap actually, so you could hold it as a pouch bag. And if you're someone like me who's sometimes really laid back, there you go. Just have your bag on and not have to worry you have a bag. You know, if you're very forgetful and you could probably go out and forget your bag, you can just have it strapped up like this. I'm going to show you what it looks like. It's really beautiful. I love this bag. This trend actually started with Bottega, and now all the brands are trying to copy this pouch bag. Guys, next I have this jeans. So it's a high-rise medium blue wash jeans. I know I've said so much about how they're perfect with their length, with the size, with the style. Hopefully they don't disappoint me. I've said too much, but it looks really nice. I always use that word, nice. It looks alright. Okay, so I'm gonna try this on. Guys, this is what the jeans trouser looks like. It's a bit tighter than my normal size, but who cares? Who cares about waist when you need to look fly? So the perfect length, it's just a bit tight around this area. I love the color. I told you so. I told you Fashionnova, they really bring it when it comes to the jeans trousers. Next trouser I'm gonna try with the same top, because today my energy isn't just on 100, so just bear with me. And remember they said high rise, and it's high rise, okay? This is high rise. Take note, other fashion brands. Always practice what you preach. Next is this high-waisted stretchy jeans in the black. Like I said, high-waisted. Actually high-waisted. Perfect length. Perfect length, perfect size. Super stretchy. Really makes so much sense. My best jeans in the entire world as at today. Okay, next up we have this really cool biker shorts. I don't really do biker shorts, but this is really comfortable. My perfect size yet again. Super happy about that. And yeah, I'm sure there are plenty of things I can wear with these biker shorts. Too lazy to put on a top to try this on. And so I paired it with a gold slipper I also got from Fashionnova. Yeah, and I think that's it. So guys, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed my try on haul. Let me know which outfit you love the most. Please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe and see you in my next video. Bye.